Hi guys! I have a visitor today. My beauty queen owner. Say hello!
Hi guys! Hi mga
Guys! Inutusan niya akong bumili ng snack. Kahit ano daw. So, binilhan ko ng banana cue. And her favorite, what's this? Nissin cup noodle.
Mom.
Creamy, milky seafood. Sorry naman, brand pala yun ng sabon ni Beauty Queen. Creamy seafood. Creamy milky pala ang brand ng sabon mo, be. Kain tayo, banana cue.
Guys, addict na si mom sa sabon.
Kasi tingnan mo naman ang effect, oh. Pero may filter pala.
Ako walang filter, guys.
May effect ba yan ng sabon?
Oh.
Snack tayo. Anong snack niyo? Hindi ba favorite mong banana cue? Favorite mo?
Kamote cube.
Dati ko nandito pa si Ma'am Shi eh. Nandito po siya sa office ko to promote her product. So, you promote your product.
Hi
Ano yung mga
guys.
products mo? Sabihin mo ano yung mga products mo?
So, we are selling soap. And then, it's really effective.
Tingnan mo si
It's
Mami
whitening
daw.
soap. Filter.
Meron kang, anong variants ng sabon mo?
Creamy milky. Kojic. Tapos, meron din kaming lip balm, guys. Glitter lip balm. We also have bleaching soap. Oh, collagen. And we also have the new cocoa berry and the new calamansi soap.
Ay, ang galing.
I think it's ready.
Okay. Kala ko you are using a chopstick.
Do you want? No, that I use chopstick. Ah, ito chopstick. Pwede itong chopstick, guys.
Tusok yan ang barbecue. Is matusok ang ano mo dyan. Dila.
Barbecue?
Init! Kanta tayo, Besh. These 3 words. Ay, hindi pala. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Ay, sorry.
Malapit na, boss.
May isa pa.
Saka na lang.
I need a kutsara. Wait lang. Ayaw mo na kutsara? Kailangan?
No thanks.
Ano may gupit yung sabaw? Umipot sa'yo eh. Umipot sa'yo nga. Yan. Akin na ulit. Init. Nagme-message.
Uy, pa yung isa. Alam? Kamay.
Wala ka sa'yo sa school, Besh?
Wala.
Walang sit-work, walang homework na dapat mag-study?
Meron sa... Pero wala.
Anong subject?
Math.
Madali lang ang math.
Of course.
Parang mas gusto ko yung isang hindi premium.
Yeah, but I like this better. Yeah.
Mas type ko yun eh. Hindi ka nagulan? Hindi ka nainitan? I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Kung alam mo sunod. I love you. I hope you love me. Ay, di pala. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change the